Cakewalk versus Sonar. What's the difference? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you produce music without unnecessary complexity. Cakewalk and Sonar offer powerful tools but differ in features and user experience. Cakewalk and Sonar are both professional digital audio workstations designed for music production. The core difference is that Cakewalk is the free, updated continuation of Sonar's legacy, while Sonar was the original paid software with a broader feature set before its rebranding. Cakewalk by BandLab is a full-featured digital audio workstation, available for free on Windows. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools including multi-track recording, MIDI sequencing, and advanced audio editing. The software supports BST plugins and has a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and experienced producers. Cakewalk's workflow is optimized for modern music production, offering features like unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, flexible routing, and integrated mixing consoles. It operates on BandLab's cloud platform, allowing seamless project sharing and collaboration. However, as a free product, Cakewalk may lack some of the high-end features found in premium DAWs, such as extensive bundled instruments or advanced mastering tools. It also requires Windows OS, limiting cross-platform use. Cakewalk is ideal for musicians and producers seeking a professional-grade DAW without upfront costs, especially those who want to explore powerful tools without subscription fees or licenses. Sonar was originally developed by Cakewalk Inc. as a premium digital audio workstation for Windows, offering an extensive range of professional music production features. It included advanced tools like Pro Channel modules for mixing, integrated mastering suites, and a wide variety of high-quality virtual instruments and effects. Sonar was known for its deep MIDI editing capabilities and flexible workflow customization, making it a favorite among seasoned producers and composers. After Gibson's acquisition and subsequent discontinuation, BandLab revived the software as Cakewalk by BandLab, transitioning Sonar's core technology into a free product. While Sonar offered a more polished and feature-rich experience with dedicated support and regular updates during its commercial phase, it required a paid license and was less accessible to beginners. Sonar was best suited for professional users who demanded extensive control over production, mixing, and mastering, and were willing to invest in a high-end DAW. Comparing Cakewalk and Sonar centers on accessibility versus premium features. Cakewalk provides the full Sonar experience for free, making it perfect for users starting out or those on a budget, without sacrificing professional tools like multi-track recording and VST support. However, it may lack some of the advanced bundled instruments and dedicated support Sonar once offered commercially. Sonar, before its rebranding, delivered a more refined and comprehensive package with exclusive effects and mastering tools ideal for professionals needing in-depth control and polished workflows. For example, a hobbyist producer benefits from Cakewalk's zero-cost and cloud integration, while a seasoned engineer might prefer Sonar's advanced mixing suites and dedicated updates. The trade-off is between cost and the extent of specialized features, with Cakewalk focusing on broad usability and Sonar on premium production quality. Choose Cakewalk if you want a powerful free DAW with modern features and cloud collaboration, perfect for beginners and budget-conscious producers. Opt for Sonar if you require a premium, feature-rich DAW with advanced mixing and mastering tools and professional support. Though now evolved into Cakewalk, Sonar's legacy remains unmatched for users prioritizing depth and polish in music production workflows.